Welcome to my channel Living Linux. Since a couple of days I have the notification that there are updates available, and today I thought, well, it's time to apply the update. And perhaps, as you can see from the Firefox window, I am already on 20.04, so I'm going to apply the update for 20.04. So when you click on the updates, you can see that there are a lot of updates available, and we're going to try to apply. And the first time I thought, well, updating 150 packages, that's probably going to take some time. So I started doing something else, and after a while, when I came back, I was presented with an error. And I'm not really sure how the error occurs or what is the cause of the error, but it says that there is already a certain file, p11kittrust.so, and I have the suspicion that when you just go to the preferences, that it will create that file and sort of create a lock. And I don't really remember if I made any changes here, but I thought I didn't. But I have the suspicion that it's caused when you perhaps even just open the preferences without even making any changes. But it's a good thing that there is a forum for Manjaro ARM, and someone else also ran into this problem. And luckily, there's also someone who came up with the solution. So we're going to close this one, because otherwise it might interfere with the command that we're going to apply. So I already copied the command. And then it turns out that you have to use sudo. You have to have elevated rights. We'll proceed. It's checking package integrity. I think at the end, that's where the error occurred last time. But of course, if you go through the GUI, it's a bit different than going through the command line. So now it starts upgrading, and I won't bore you with the whole upgrade process. So I'm going to pause this recording and we'll come back when it's done.